Hi guys, I'm Brooke, Christina. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm doing a room decor haul and I have some of the cutest things that I'm so excited to share with you guys. I have things from Michaels, Ikea, and Winners Homesense. This stuff was kind of collective, so unfortunately some of it may not still be in store, but I'll do my absolute best to find similar things and I'll link it down below for you guys. Also, just a little disclaimer, if you guys hear somewhat of a lisp in my voice, it's because I have a teeth whitening tray in my mouth right now and I was just too lazy to take it out before filming this video. But if you guys are curious on how I teeth whiten at home, I have an entire video on how I do it. I will leave that down below as well. But without further ado, let's get started with the cute home decor stuff. So the first place I'm going to start off with is Ikea. So the first thing I got was this adorable little, I guess, pencil holder. I have seen this literally everywhere. I've seen people use it for makeup brushes, for pens and pencils like me. I've seen people use them for candles or plants, but I just think it's super cute to hold all of my pens, pencils, highlighters, paintbrushes, literally everything. As you can see, I've got a lot of crap in here, but it holds so much and is really, really cute, and I feel like it just goes with any room. The next thing I got, I feel like you guys are gonna be like, what the hell? Like, that's so random. But it is this, which is actually a napkin holder. It's just gold and it's got this cool cutouts, and yeah, it's a napkin holder. But what I use it for is my books. So I actually have 2 books. These are the only 2 books I have. I'm definitely not a reader on a day-to-day basis, but I like reading when I'm at the beach or when I'm tanning my backyard or going on road trips. So I only have these 2. I guess I'll tell you guys if you're curious, but this one is The Life-Changing Magic of Not Giving an F. And this one is Rupi Kaur? I don't know how to say her last name, but it's Milk and Honey. Literally every single girl has this book. And I also have a birthday card that my boyfriend made me last year. So I just think it's really cute for these to hold my books, and they fit perfectly. And typically I'm not a big fan of gold. I wear silver, as you can see. All of my jewelry is always silver. I just don't gravitate towards gold. So I figured if I ever wanted to change the color of this, I could just spray paint it, but I wanted to show you guys what it actually looks like in case you guys are interested in getting this. So the next store I have things from is Michaels. So I made this. This is what it looks like. I know, I'm very extra, but basically the story behind this is that I saw this shot glass in Michaels. And for those of you that don't know, 2018 is my graduating year. This is the year I am done school forever, which is so excited, and I kind of wanted to celebrate. I felt very connected to this shot glass, but the thing is I don't take shots. I can't, like, it will come back up. So I was going back and forth with myself, do I need it, do I not need it? And then an idea popped in my head to make it a decor piece. So what I did is I put glass beads inside this, which I already had, but they're also from Michaels, so if you guys are looking for that, that's where they sell them. But they're just these glass beads, so I filled it up and I put my favorite type of flower on the top, which is a carnation. This flower was actually a part of this little set, I guess. So basically I just picked the prettiest flower off of this and I put it right in there, and this is how the little DIY looks. I know, super random, but it's such a cute decor piece in my opinion. It just means a lot to me, especially because I made it. Maybe it'll give you guys some inspo to be more creative. So this is the next piece I got. It's this pink little glass, I guess, like woven container thing. Basically why I got this is, if you guys don't know, which you should know because I recently just uploaded a vlog that includes a lot of this, but I started my soccer season up again, which I love soccer, the best sport ever. But because I'm a female and I wear accessories, I have to take them off for soccer. And I know last year when I was playing soccer, I just kind of put my necklaces, earrings, and rings wherever, and I was constantly freaking out because my jewelry means a lot to me, and if I lose it, I will have a panic attack. So I got this container to just kind of put my rings and necklaces and stuff in, and it's been super handy so far, and it's just really cute. I think this may have been either a part of Michael's spring stuff or their Easter stuff. I don't recall, but it's like the perfect size. And the last thing I got from Michael's is super boring, but it goes along with the next thing I'm gonna show you guys. So I got these clothespins, and they're basically just like a medium size. Michael's did have a size smaller, I believe, and they also have like the typical big clothespins that people use when they're like hanging laundry outside. But I got these ones because I found this at Winners and I needed the clothespins for it. So basically this is a massive grid picture frame holder kind of thing. I have no idea what you would call this, but if you guys know Michaela Noel here on YouTube, she is is my best friend, and she was my roommate, and she's also my YouTube friend. We do know each other in real life, but basically she got 2 of these off of Amazon, and I loved the idea of them, and I've seen these a ton on Pinterest. And one day I was in Winners Homesense and I just saw this and I was like, oh my god, this is meant to be. I'm buying this, it's perfect, and it looks so good hung above my bed. So I just printed out some pictures. I have a picture of me, Chloe, and Colby, my boyfriend and I, my sister and I, my best friend and I, my 3 best friends, and another puppy picture. And I have to fill up the rest of it, but I just think it's such a cute piece. And this is totally something that I will bring with me to my next apartment, and I can constantly change out the pictures and stuff. And the last thing I have to share with you guys is this. Now, I think this is beautiful. I have a thing for fake flowers, and I just think flowers in a home environment is beautiful to begin with, whether they're real or not. But my issue is I cannot keep real flowers alive, kill them within like a few days, and I just suck at it. So I resort to fake flowers. But I found this. It is a mirrored vase, as you can see, which I just think is so beautiful. I love including mirrors in a home environment as well because it does make the space seem bigger, even if it's something as little as this. But I have this on my night table for now, but I do think once I get my own apartment, this would look absolutely stunning either in the kitchen or on the living room, you know, coffee table. But it's just these white little fake flowers that did come included. They're like glued on so they won't fall out or anything. And that is everything I have to share with you guys in this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And let me know down below what your favorite piece from this haul was. And also let me know what your favorite places to buy home decor are. I used to love Target, but since Canada got rid of Target, I kind of can't shop there unless I cross the border. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love if you did. We welcome everyone here. Everyone's a big family here. But if you are subscribed, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys! Shout out to Smile Brilliant.